Look up at the night sky. Beyond our solar system lie billions of islands of light, galaxies. We live in just one, the Milky Way, a barred spiral of stars with a supermassive black hole at its core. But cosmology, the study of the universe, asks the biggest questions. How did all of this begin? And where is it going? Our story starts 13.8 billion years ago. The entire universe was a single, infinitely hot point. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space. It was the expansion of space itself. We know this because of two cosmic clues left at the scene. First, distant galaxies are rushing away from us. Their light stretched into what astronomers call a redshift. Second, a faint echo of that fiery beginning, the cosmic microwave background, still fills all of space, the literal afterglow of creation. But here's the most profound discovery. Everything we can see, every star, planet, and galaxy, is just 5% of reality. The rest is invisible. About 27% is dark matter, a mysterious substance whose gravity acts like cosmic scaffolding, holding galaxies together and stopping them from flying apart. The real driver of our cosmos, however, is dark energy. It makes up 68% of the universe and acts like anti-gravity, pushing space apart at an ever-accelerating rate. So what happens next? Because of dark energy's relentless push, the most likely future is the Big Freeze. The expansion won't stop. Stars will burn out. Galaxies will drift apart into an endless, cold, dark night. The universe will fade to black. We live in a brief, brilliant era, a moment where we can look back at the beginning and forward toward the end. It's a humbling story, nearly 14 billion years in the making, and our ability to understand it is extraordinary.